A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your home. In our last class, we had completed chapter 12 and 13, I think. Let's see. Take a look. Chapter 12, adjective, and chapter 13, articles. And today, we will start chapter 14 and some more chapters. Chapter 14 is pronoun. Read the sentences given below. Here we will study about pronouns. Okay, what is pronoun? I hope you all know that what is pronoun. Now, Ravi has not come to school today. Ravi is not well. Ravi visited the doctor yesterday. The doctor gave Ravi medicine. Ravi feels that if Ravi takes the medicine regularly, Ravi will recover soon. Here we are using same name everywhere, all that in all the topic. It sounds little awkward. Don't you think it sound awkward? You can see here, it is written here also. So ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है सुनने में. Ravi has not come to school today. Ravi is not well. All here everywhere we use the same name. So in place of Ravi, we just use some different words. The words which we use, जो हम word use करेंगे उनको क्या बोला जाता है? Pronoun. Those words are pronoun. Ravi has not come to school today. He is not well. He visited the doctor yesterday. The doctor gave him medicine. Ravi feels that if he takes the medicine regularly, he will recover soon. Here in place of Ravi, we used some different words. These different words are called pronoun. And some more words. The noun Ravi has been replaced by he and him. He and him are pronoun. You have to write this definitions in your notebook. Pronoun are used for or in place of noun. A pronoun makes a sentence simpler and shorter. It is easy to read and understand. Examples: he, she, it, they. Let us understand the corrective use of it. The donkey fell down because the donkey was tired. The donkey fell down because it was tired. It is written here, it was tired. Donkey was tired. Pronoun it has replaced two words, the and donkey. यहाँ it ने दो words replace किए हैं. कौन कौन से? The and donkey. Some common pronouns are. कुछ ऐसे कॉमन प्रोनाउंस हैं जो हम लोग जनरली यूज करते हैं. वो हैं आई, मी, वी, अस, यू, हिम, ही, हिम, you, he, him, she, her, they, them, it, like this. Okay. Now move to the exercise. Underline the pronoun in the following sentence. Here we just have to underline. It's very simple exercise, but I will do 3 questions of these exercise. Sita told Geeta that she should work hard. So here we can see she is pronoun. Now Rima's mother told her to rest after school hours. Her is pronoun. The movie was a flop because it was boring. Here it is a pronoun. So you all have to complete rest of the questions by yourself, students, as I told you in our last class. Come to the next page here. Rest of the questions you all have to do. आपको खुद करने हैं बाकी के questions. Okay. Now you all have to do this exercise also. Rewrite the following passage by replacing the underlined words with pronoun given in the bracket. हमें जो words लिखे हैं उनको pronoun से replace करना है. We just have to put pronoun in place of these words. Read this passage correctly. कुछ words लिखे हैं bracket में, उनको use करके करना है. Understood? I hope आप सब अच्छे से कर लेंगे because you all are very bright kid. Now move to the next topic. Mine, yours, ours, hers, his, hers and theirs are called possessive pronoun. इस तरह के जो pronoun होते हैं mine, yours, ours, his, ours, his, hers, theirs are called possessive pronoun. ये सब क्या है? Possessive pronoun because they show that something belongs to somebody. ये हमें क्या दिखाते हैं? They show possession. ये possession दिखाते हैं. मीन्स कि किसी की चीज़ है, किसकी है, किसके बिलोंग करती है ये चीज़, वो ये वर्ड्स वो बताते हैं. दैट्स वाई दे आर कॉल्ड पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस these line in your notebook. Now, read the following sentences to understand the use of different possessive pronoun. First, the book belongs to me. The book is mine. Belongs to me and mine. They both are possessive pronoun. But correct word is mine, which is possessive pronoun. Here, if we have to write that thing, this line in simple, then the books belongs to me. Okay, this thing belongs to me. The book is mine. Here is written some more examples. The book belongs to you. The book is yours. So here the correct correct way of using the possessive pronoun is like the book is yours. The book belongs to us. Book is ours. The book belongs to him. The book is his. The book belongs to her. The book is hers. The book belongs to them. The book is theirs. These toys belong to you all. These toys are yours. Understood? समझ में आया आपको? आई होप दैट आप सबको समझ में आ गया हो. ये मीन्स इस सेंटेंस का क्या मतलब है, आपको समझ में आया? देखिए, द बुक बिलोंग्स टू यू मीन्स ये बुक आपकी है क्या? क्या ये बुक आपको बिलोंग करती है? सो इन हिंदी, इन इंग्लिश वी कैन से इन करेक्ट वे, द बुक बिलोंग्स टू योर्स. दिस, ये बुक बिलोंग करती है आपको. द बुक बिलोंग्स टू यू, ये आपकी ये बुक आपको बिलोंग करती है, मीन्स ये आप ही की बुक है ना? तो इन वेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज यूजिंग पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन वी कैन से द बुक इज योर्स. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज. Rewrite the sentences using possessive pronoun. Here we just have to use possessive pronoun. I hope आप सब कर लेंगे because example is simply given here. That car belongs to him. Here you can see the book belongs to him. So answer is the book is his. So the answer of this question is the car belongs to him. The car is his. Okay. Next is the doll belongs to her. The doll is hers. Rest of the questions you all have to do by yourself. आप सबको करने हैं खुद से because you can take help of these examples. Now next is personal pronoun. अभी हमने पढ़ा possessive pronoun, now personal pronoun. You have to write this line which is written in yellow box. Personal pronoun are pronoun used in place of animal, in place of people, animal or things. Person. Pronouns have different form. First person, the speaker. Second person, the person we are speaking to. Third is the person about whom we are speaking. Means first person कौन होता है? मैं. सेकेंड पर्सन कौन होता है? आप, जिनसे मैं बात कर रही हूँ. थर्ड पर्सन कौन है? जिनके बारे में दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं, किसी थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना, दैट इज थर्ड पर्सन. सो आई, मी, वी, अस, ये सब क्या है? कैसे वर्ड्स हैं जो फर्स्ट पर्सन में आते हैं? सेकेंड पर्सन में आता है सिर्फ यू. थर्ड पर्सन में ही, हिम, शी, हर, they, them, it. Okay. Now move to the next page. Here we can see, when we reached home you told your mother luck was by my side today. Now think about your lucky day and write about it in first person. यहाँ पे आपको as a first person लिखना है. Here you just have to share in some lines, luck was in my by my side today, which means कि आपको कुछ 2-3 लाइन लिखनी है. think about your day and write it in first person. तो इसे first person के रूप में लिखना है. like you can write like this, that you can write like this, that I think I have been very lucky today. I got something in my class and I gave it to my teacher. You can write like this, starting like this, or something whatever which comes in your mind, है ना. You just have to write. आपको बस अपने से लिखनी है at least 3 lines. Luck was by my side today, है ना. Write about it in फर्स्ट पर्सन. मतलब आई फर्स्ट पर्सन को यूज करके, ये यू कैन सी हियर ना, Here you can see I, me, we, was. ये सब क्या है? First person है. You just have to use these first person words and you have to write 3-4 lines in a topic. Luck was by my side today. Now move to the E exercise. Underline the pronoun. Write against each sentence the form of pronoun or first or person used. State whether it is in the first person, second or third. So here we just have to find out the pronoun. Underline the pronoun. हमें underline करना है pronoun को. And write against each sentence the form of pronoun. Which type of pronoun it is or a person. And we just have to tell that which first person, second or third person is this. Okay. So I hope you all can do this exercise, but I will complete 2 questions for you. Lions are royal animal. Lions are royal animals. They are called the king of jungle. Here we just have to, we know that they is pronoun. But which person it is? First, second, third. They is third person. Okay. So we just write here third person. Okay. Now, I like the cakes made by my mother. So here we can see I is simply pronoun, but which person is I? First, second or third? It's a first person. I've written first here. Okay, so you all have to do this exercise by yourself. It's very simple exercise. You just have to put underline and put the right person's name, first, second, third. Now move to the next exercise F. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of personal pronoun. First question is, please come here, dash want to talk to you. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of personal pronoun. Here we just have to fill correct personal pronoun. Come, please come here. Answer is, I want to talk to you. You can write he, she also, but I will prefer I. Please come here, I want to talk to you. Next is, come and tell dash what happened. Come and tell me what happened. Okay. My mother told dash about my great grandfather. My mother told me. So rest of the exercise, rest of the questions you all have to do by yourself. Okay. These are 10 questions which you have to do. Now next is singular and plural pronoun. Just like nouns, pronouns can be singular and plural or plural. जैसे नाउन होते हैं सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल, उसी तरह से प्रोनाउन भी सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल होते हैं. हियर वी कैन सी सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन एंड प्लूरल प्रोनाउन. सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन्स आर आई, मी, यू, शी, हर, he, him, it, and plural pronouns are we, us, you, they, them. These all are singular and plural pronoun. Genders. Just like nouns, pronouns too have genders. जैसे नाउन में genders होते हैं, pronouns में भी gender होते हैं. Masculine gender is he, him. Feminine is she, her. And common I, we, me, us, you. Neutral it. Now next is pronoun they, them are used for males, females and even neuter gender. Means ये common gender सब में use हो जाते हैं. They, them. Okay. Underline the personal pronoun in the following. Here we just have to underline the personal pronoun. Now here we just have to underline. ये बहुत ही simple exercise. I hope you all can do. She, we. She painted a picture for us. We liked it a lot. Okay. I asked my mother the recipe of chocolate muffins. So I is personal pronoun. She told me. Here she is personal pronoun. So I hope you all can do. How have you been to the Qutub Minar? Here you. It is a beautiful monument. Okay. Now you all have to, and it, I forgot it, you, it. You just have to underline the personal pronoun in these questions. So do it by yourself. So here we can see, show whether the pronouns are singular, plural, singular for S, plural for P, male for M, F for female, N for neuter, C for common. Example, she SF is a good girl. Means she is singular, and it's female. So we are using S and F, which is written here. S and F. Okay, for this. He is singular, so S and M, because it's male. S and M you have to write here. She again, S and F you have to write. So इसी तरह से सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको करने हैं अपने से by yourself. Fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronoun. Now you have to suitable pronoun. You have to put suitable pronoun here. You have to put suitable pronoun here. So I hope you all can do this exercise by yourself also, students. We just have to use personal pronoun here. I hope you all can do this exercise by yourself. It's very simple exercise. You can write here, you are late for the test, है ना. इस तरह से you have to do rest of the questions. Move to the next lesson, which is chapter 15, verbs. Here we will understand and learn what is verb. We all know that verbs are doing words. The words which tells us that what a person or animal is doing. मतलब क्या कर रहे हैं. It's a type of thing. It's a type of words which tells us about the noun, that what is that noun, particular noun is doing. The verbs mainly tells us three things. Verb हमें तीन चीजें वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली बताते हैं. वो क्या है? व्हाट अ पर्सन और थिंग्स, पर्सन और एनिमल्स और थिंग्स डज, क्या करते हैं, है ना. क्या करते हैं, डज मीन्स क्या करते हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं. व्हाट अ पर्सन और एनिमल और थिंग, क्या है, पर्सनल एनिमल थिंग क्या है, ये भी बताते हैं. व्हाट अ पर्सन और एनिमल और थिंग हैज, पर्सन एनिमल और थिंग के पास क्या है. ये तीनों चीजें बताते हैं हमको. verbs mainly ये चीजें तो बताते ही हैं. It's very important. You have to write the word which is written here in box. A verb express what a person or thing does, what a person or thing is, or what a person or thing has. You all have to write this on your notebook. I hope कि आपको समझ में आया होगा क्या है verb. Verbs are doing words. जो भी ऐसे words होते हैं, doing words तो हैं ही. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो हमें बताते हैं कि वो क्या हैं. एनी नाउन, जो भी नाउन है, पर्सन एनिमल और थिंग, वो क्या है. एंड एनी नाउन के पास में क्या है, पर्सन एनिमल थिंग के पास क्या है. ओके. वर्ब टेल्स अस व्हाट अ पर्सन एनिमल डज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग ये पढ़ते हैं कि व्हाट अ पर्सन एनिमल थिंग क्या करते हैं, क्या है. सॉरी, डज मीन्स क्या करते हैं. यस, क्या करते हैं. पहले हम ये पढ़ेंगे, डूइंग वर्ड्स को हम पहले पढ़ेंगे वर्ब्स में. लाइक द बॉय प्लेज इन द गार्डन. जो बॉय है वो खेल रहा है गार्डन में. ज्योति गोज टू स्कूल, शी स्टडीज वेरी हार्ड. हियर थ्री वर्ड्स वी कैन सी इन बोल्ड रिटन, प्लेज, गोज, स्टडीज. ये तीन क्या हैं, वर्ब्स हैं, डूइंग वर्ड्स. द प्ले वर्ड्स, गोज, एक्सप्रेस एक्शन. ये क्या बता रहे हैं, एक्शन बता रहे हैं, कुछ एक्शन हो रहा है. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वर्ब्स दैट बिलोंग्स टू दिस कैटेगरी आर कम, कॉल, रीड एंड सो ऑन. इसी तरह के और भी वर्ब्स होते हैं, डूइंग वर्ड्स जो होते हैं, कम, कॉल, रीड, ईट, ड्रिंक, जंप, स्टैंड, सिट. दीज ऑल आर डूइंग वर्ड्स. ओके. नाउ वर्ब्स टेल्स अस व्हाट अ पर्सन, एनिमल और थिंग इज. वर्ब्स क्या बताते हैं कि अब ये हम ये पढ़ रहे हैं. ओके. क्या वर्ब्स हमें बताते हैं कि पर्सन, एनिमल और थिंग, पर्सन, एनिमल और थिंग क्या है. रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस. मीना इज अ स्टूडेंट. मीना क्या है, एक स्टूडेंट है. हियर इज क्या है, वर्ब. राहुल विल बी हैप्पी टू हियर द न्यूज. विल बी क्या है, वर्ब. मिसेस वर्मा वॉज अ काइंड लेडी. मिसेस वर्मा क्या है, काइंड लेडी है. तो क्या है हियर, वर्ब. व्हाट इज वर्ब, वॉज इज वर्ब. Like the word is, will be, was tells us about Meena, Rahul and Mrs. Verma. ये वर्ड्स हमें क्या बताते हैं? मीना राहुल एंड मिसेस वर्मा के बारे में बताते हैं कि वो कैसे हैं रिस्पेक्टिवली. दीज वर्ड्स डू नॉट टेल्स व्हाट दीज पर्सन्स आर डूइंग. ये वर्ड्स हमें ये नहीं बता रहे हैं कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, ये वर्ड्स हमें बता रहे हैं कि ये तीनों क्या हैं. नाउ वर्ब्स टेल्स अस व्हाट अ पर्सन, एनिमल और थिंग हैज. वर्ब हमें ये भी बताते हैं कि उनके पास क्या है. रीना एंड टीना हैव अ न्यू पेट. रीना और टीना के पास एक नया पेट है. द डॉग हैज अ स्मॉल टेल. डॉग के पास एक स्मॉल टेल है. हेयर हैज एंड हैव, ये भी क्या है? हैज और हैव क्या है? ये भी वर्ब्स हैं जो हमें बता रहे हैं कि रीना, टीना एंड डॉग के पास क्या है. नाउ मोर अबाउट वर्ब्स. वर्ब्स कैन बी मेड ऑफ अ सिंगल वर्ड. सिंगल वर्ड से भी वर्ब्स बनते हैं. लाइक शी राइट्स गुड स्टोरी. हियर राइट्स इज वर्ब. एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव मेड पिज्जा फॉर यू. 3 वर्ड से भी बनते हैं. आई हैव मेड 3 वर्ड से भी बनते हैं. ओके, एग्जाम्पल्स, सॉरी इट्स सिंगल वर्ड से ही बनते हैं. राइट्स 2 वर्ड से बनते हैं. हैव मेड 3 वर्ड से बनते हैं. ही विल बी लीविंग फॉर ऑस्ट्रेलिया टुडे. 2 वर्ड से बना हैव मेड. सिंगल वर्ड से बना राइट्स, ईट्स, है ना. एंड with 3 words, will be leaving, is doing, she is having, is having, है ना. So these are 3 words or 2 words which are verbs. Verb is most important part of sentence. Verb क्या होता है? बहुत important part होता है sentence का. Verb के बिना sentence complete नहीं होता है. Without it we cannot form a sentence. Meena to school. Pretty, Tina pretty. Do this group of words make complete sense? क्या ये word complete sense बना रहे हैं? No, they are not. They are still, अभी ये complete नहीं है. They are not complete. Meena is going to school. अब ये सही है. is going यहाँ पे हमने use किया. Tina is pretty, is use किया, complete हो गया sentence. We can see after adding proper verbs. Add करने के बाद ये correct हो गया. Underline the verb in the following sentence. Now here you just have to underline the correct verb, students. It's very simple. I hope you all can do this exercise by yourself. Is the bird is building its nest. Is building actually. है ना. Two words verb. The spider was tiny and black. Tiny and black. So here was. क्यों was? Because this word was is telling about the noun कि वो क्या है. What? Now rest of the questions you all have to do by yourself. Okay? बाकी जो questions हैं वो आपको करने हैं अपने से. Just have to underline. Give me the pot. Here you all have to tell me which is verb. Give me the pot. क्या है इसमें से verb? Tell me that. It's very simple. Give means देना. It's a action word. Okay? So complete कीजिए पूरे questions. Next is underline the verb and write action. If it is indication action, being. If it tells us what a person is belonging. If it shows what a person has. जब किसी यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? अंडरलाइन करना है वर्ब को. बट हमें बताना भी है कि वो कोई एक्शन है. अगर वो कोई एक्शन है, डूइंग वर्ड है, देन वी हैव टू राइट एक्शन ऑन दैट ब्लैंक. अगर वो एक्शन बता रहा है तो. अगर ये बता रहा है कि वो पर्सन क्या है ना. लाइक एनी वर्ड्स यू कैन सी. दिस वर्ड यू कैन से आई एम हंग्री. हियर विच इज वर्ब? एम इज वर्ब. एम इज वर्ब. बट कौन सा वर्ब है? बीइंग है, एक्शन है और बिलोंगिंग. इट्स अ बीइंग वर्ड. वाई बीइंग? क्योंकि ये बता रहा है कि हम क्या है. मुझे भूख लगी है, मैं भूखा हूँ, लाइक है ना, मैं भूखी हूँ, लाइक आई एम हंग्री. सो हियर एम इज बीइंग. सो हमें यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है, इसी तरह से हमें फाइंड आउट करना है एंड लिखना है. सो फर्स्ट आई विल कंप्लीट एज आई हैव रिटन द 3 आंसर्स ऑफ 3 क्वेश्चन. जस्ट अंडरलाइन करते हैं. यू आर अ गुड बीइंग, ह्यूमन बीइंग. सो हियर यू कैन सी आर. आर क्या है? वर्ब. कौन सा वर्ब है? बीइंग. बिकॉज इट्स टेलिंग अबाउट व्हाट अ पर्सन इज. क्या है वो पर्सन, वो बता रहा है. Hmm. Second is the police ran up and down the stairs. So here ran यानी दौड़ना, it's an action. Next is Sana has long hair. Here belonging has उसके पास में है. Okay, बाकी आपको खुद करना है अपने से. Questions next is the following words are nouns. Write verbs matching them. One has been done. एक किया गया है, बाकी आपको करने हैं अपने से. ये बहुत ही सिंपल एक्सरसाइज है. आई होप यू ऑल कैन डू बाय योरसेल्फ. इट्स वेरी सिंपल एक्सरसाइज. Singers sing. Painter paints. Paint. Teachers teach. Birds fly. Water flow. Stars bright. Writers write. So simple. Now here in this exercise you all have to put the correct word from the box in the blank. Meena dashed the window yesterday. Cleaned. What is the right answer? Right answer is cleaned. Meena cleaned the window yesterday. Jyoti is writing a letter to her grandfather. My parents dash tomorrow. My parents will come tomorrow. You all have to do this exercise by yourself. It's very simple exercise. कोई भी ये नहीं बोलना कि मुझसे नहीं बन रहा मैम, बिकॉज ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल एक्सरसाइज है और ये कोई भी कर सकते हैं. इतना बताया है मैंने, तो आई होप यू ऑल कैन डू दिस. फिर भी अगर डाउट है, इफ़ यू हैव स्टिल एनी डाउट, देन यू कैन आस्क मी. आई विल टेल यू द आंसर. नाउ अनस्क्रैम्बल द लेटर्स इन द ब्रैकेट टू मेक वर्ब्स. यहाँ हमें अनस्क्रैम्बल करना है लेटर्स को, एंड वी हैव टू write the correct word using the correct word from bracket. So I unscramble kiya. What is this? I eat an apple every day. EAT. It's also very simple. Completed. Next is crossword. Across we dash letters. Here we have to, okay, we have to fill this. It is also very simple exercise which you all can do. We write letters. WRITE. Write. Okay. Now next is number 2, but down. But we will complete. You have to complete the across first. We dash the bicycle. We fourth. RIDE, ride the bicycle. 6 is don't dash in class. Here 6. 6, very 6. Yes. Don't dash in class. Talk in class is so simple. TALK, talk. 7th is the stones stink when you dash them in the water. When you throw, THROW, throw. Now ये complete हुआ across. Now move to down. We dash books in library. We read. It's so simple. READ. So I will not tell you the rest of the answer. You all have to use your brain now. अपने दिमाग का उपयोग करना है, and you have to do this exercise. Just put correct word here in the blanks. Okay. So student, that's all for today's class. Complete your work. If you have any doubt, you can ask me here. Take care of yourself and your parents. Till then, good day.